Open up your spiral notebook to the next blank page in your notes section and make your notes page look like my screen. At the top, write fractions as whole numbers and then number 222. Pause the video so you have time to do this. Now, I'm going to say a fraction and you're going to write it down. Then you're going to put an equal sign and write a division equation and then find the quotient, the answer. Let's do a couple together. I'm going to say number 1 and then I'm going to say a fraction. 6 halves. So next to number 1, you write 6 halves. All right. Now you're going to put an equal sign and write the division equation, which is 6 divided by 2 equals 3. That's how you do it. All right, let's do the next one. 14 halves. So you write 14 halves equals, write the division equation, and then put an equal sign and write your answer. So that would be 14 divided by 2 equals 7. All right, now I'm going to read you the rest of them. Number 3, 54 halves. You can pause the video every time you need to. I'm going to keep going. Number 4, 40 twentieths. Number 5, 80 twentieths. Number 6, 180 twentieths. Number 7, 960 twentieths. I'm going to do that one with you. 960 twentieths equals 960 divided by 20. Now, we know that our rules of division, if there's a 0 here and a 0 here in the divisor, we can cross those out and it's the same as 96 divided by 2. So if you don't know what that is off the top of your head, you can do 96 divided by 2 and then do the math. 9 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, bring down. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 with a remainder of 0. So we know that our answer here equals 48. That's how you do this. All right, number 8. 10 fifths. Number 9. 15 fifths. 15 fifths. Number 10. 35 fifths. Number 11. 85 fifths. Number 12. 150ths. 150ths. That's how you do 50ths. Number 13. 150 50ths. 14. 350ths. 15. 950ths. 16. 8/4. 17. 24/4. 18. 96/4. 19 50 25ths, 20 75 25ths, 21 300 25ths, and 22 is 800 25ths. So make sure you finish all of these in your notes page. I want to see them. And then once I see them, I will give you your sprint. Your sprint looks like this. Let's go over how to do this. All right, so the first one says 1/5 times 2. Remember, when we are multiplying a fraction times a whole number, we can just take the whole number and put it over 1. So I have 1/5 times 2 over 1. So when I'm multiplying, I don't need to have the same denominator. But in adding and subtraction, I do have to have the same denominator. So look at this. Since we're multiplying 1/5 times 2 over 1, you can just multiply straight across. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then you have your fraction line, and then you say 5 times 1 equals 5. So what is our answer? 2/5. Next one. Same thing. Put the whole number over 1 and multiply across. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. And you're going to keep doing that. Just a reminder, make sure you're paying attention to the signs. Not all of them are multiplication. This one is division. So make sure you do that correctly. Go ahead and finish all of side A.